Okay, awesome. Thank you. And are there any like restaurant reopening hacks as things start to reopen? I know on June 1st, 89 counties went into phase two of reopening. So is there anything that you can share with owners so they don't have to learn on the fly?
Well, we've all been learning from each other as we open across the state. Um, the best advice we have for our members, and this comes directly from restaurant owners, is follow the DHM, and not just because it's required in some things. Those guidelines were established for a very good reason. And the main reason is to keep your business safe and to keep your staff safe. If you think about it, I've had uh, non-members contact me and say, well, I don't think I should have to have my staff wear masks. They don't want to, and it's not a requirement. The governor said a couple of weeks ago, he didn't make that a mandated thing because he really felt Nebraskans would do the right thing. That's what we do. We're known for that. But he said he certainly could change that to a restriction. And the main purpose of staff wearing masks is to protect staff. If you think about it, staff spend most of their time with other staff, and they're in closer proximity to other staff than they will ever be to a guest or a customer. And so it's for their protection. If we have a staff member that contracts COVID-19 and tests positive through contact tracing, we're gonna get questioned as to how close you were working with another individual, for how long, and were you wearing PPE. So those are important things to remember. The guidelines are in place and were established with the help of epidemiologists, the CDC, health departments, just experts, food experts across the nation. And so we're learning from each other, and we're just all trying to do the right thing because we know what we're trying to do is protect the public, but we're trying to protect our staff as well. And so our producers or our providers of services to the restaurant industry, many of our allied members like Cisco and Cashway, US Foods, Reinhart Food Service, they all have different programs in place where we can do things like either disposable menus, or you can do your menu on your phone, and that's no touch because we can't reuse menus unless we disinfect them. That's a whole other thing, and just the training, taking the time before you reopen that dining room to train your staff in all the new procedures. That's been a really big thing. And that's why you see a lot of restaurants that haven't, that's one reason that a lot of restaurants haven't reopened their dining rooms yet, because they're getting that all in place, everything in place for when they do reopen those dining rooms.